What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the BTR Garage. This is Justin. We have a quick update on my GR86 and the BTR Mega Garage. It's about to begin. Let's get to it. So just today I heard from my Toyota salesperson that my GR86 is arriving in roughly 3 days. So this Saturday we're gonna have my car. It's Wednesday evening, almost Wednesday night. You'll probably see this video Thursday morning. So Saturday morning, I'm going to pick up the car at the dealership, get everything finalized, and then bring it back to the house. So I'm super excited. It's gonna be awesome. I'm probably gonna be driving all weekend, trying to get some miles on the car, get to the break-in period of 1,000 miles before we can actually really get on it, see how the engine performs, and all of that fun stuff that we wanna do when the car is completed its break-in period. So be ready. The GR86 videos are actually coming very soon. Again, I'm super excited. We'll do a first impressions video with some of the driving and all kinds of other stuff. You guys know me. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming with the new car. All right, so BTR Mega Garage update. This is also about to start. Now, this is kind of the bad thing about getting my new car this weekend. My garage project is starting basically tomorrow, so I'm not even gonna have access to this garage, the two-car garage, when I get my GR86. So I'm not gonna have a garage to put it in for about 3, maybe 4 months, depending on how long the project takes with the new BTR Mega Garage. So last time I talked to you guys, we had just demoed the driveway. We've also since demoed the wall in the back. You can see that back here. I'll turn the camera around and take another look. But we've got the wall demoed. We had to demo my poor barbecue in the backyard because the new garage was gonna encroach on that space. So let's take a look at how things are today. And of course, I'll give you guys updates after we get the concrete poured. That's gonna start this next week or two. Tomorrow they're just doing digging for the concrete. Got to get it inspected. After that, they'll set the forms and the stems, get it inspected, and then finally pour the concrete and then start with the framing and the build after that. So we'll take a look outside. There's my F-250. I just finished putting on those new headlights, so keep an eye out for that video coming real soon. They look really sweet. And demoed driveway out in the front. We showed you that before. There used to be a wall here. We got that demoed as well. Take a look back here and show you what we've got. The garage is gonna, whoa, stepped in a hole. The garage is gonna come back to about this point right here. You can see that stake in the ground. It's about 5 feet off of that makeshift wall is where the garage is gonna go. Another hole in the ground. I'm gonna try not to fall into that. This is where our barbecue was back here. We had to get that taken out. We'll rebuild that and have something a little bit nicer for the future. That one was kind of big and obnoxious, but anyways, we'll back up a little bit here, get a different angle at it. So from this viewpoint, we'll have garage starting just on the other side of this door right here, basically coming back, and then kind of see the stake there going out towards that gate there. And this whole area gonna be garage. It's gonna be 50 feet deep and vary in width depending on where we are in the garage. Maximum 24, 25 feet wide, 18 feet wide, I think 16 feet wide at the most narrow point. And then the garage door, instead of being like right here where it is, it'll be out in front of me here facing where the truck is. So that is update number 2 on the BTR Mega Garage. Should be fun. Super excited. Not very excited to not have a garage for my GR86, but we'll make do. And that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thanks everybody for hanging out with me and going over the update for both the GR86 and the BTR Mega Garage. I'm gonna bring you some more videos, of course, with the car and the garage as we move forward in the build progress. So stick around for that stuff. I'd love to see you around in future videos. Stay safe out there. I am checking out, and we'll talk to you all next time.